Welcome to Optimized Air from Biotherm Solutions. In this section, we will be talking about cooling, dehumidification, and CO2. First, I want to discuss our CO2 systems. Growers need a cost effective way to introduce CO2 into their growing environment. Biotherm has come up with an efficient way to accomplish this need. If you have one of our condensing boilers, we can extract the CO2 from the exhaust system, clean it up, and pump it back into the grow space. Our CO2 blower will push the CO2 back into the grow space through polytube or through our preferred method of putting the piping on the sidewalls with spray nozzles that will shoot out the CO2 over your canopy. This will allow the CO2 to surround your plants and provide the enhancement your plants need. Now, as cannabis and hemp become part of our everyday lives, so too does the problems that come with cultivation. As most growers will tell you, botrytis and powdery mildew are the quickest ways to lose a crop. The need for a solution is a necessity in this new world. Welcome to the Biotherm solution, dehumidification. We have a whole line of stainless steel standalone dehumidifiers for growers just looking to dehumidify. We have our hanging units such as the 1 ton, 2 ton, and 4 ton, and we have our floor units that range from 5 ton to 25 ton, which have several wheel options and a skid option. They are all stainless steel, and all of these units have a cold coil to get rid of the humidity and a hot coil to keep the air temperature neutral. As you can see in our comparison versus Quest, we pull out more water, we are smaller, we are stainless steel, and we are price competitive. On the right side, you can see the specifications of all of our units. As you can see, the variety of our line gives you the opportunity to use less units to accomplish your dehumidification needs. Now, another issue that growers have with dehumidifiers is the heat that the actual unit puts into the grow space. Every dehumidifier on the market produces heat from the mechanical components inside the unit. For some growers, this can be a major problem, so we have come up with a solution for this issue. Here we have one of our remote units. This will allow you to pull all of the components that add extra heat to the outside and will allow you to be truly temperature neutral inside. Here we have one of our split units that takes all the heat outside, and this unit will only put cold air into the greenhouse or grow space. Now, if you have a large grow space or need cooling as well as dehumidification and want more control of the environment, we have an efficient centralized system that can provide a solution for you. Our chiller system will allow you to cool your grow space as well as dehumidify. So if you are growing in a hot and high humidity area and cannot use a wet wall or use venting to cool down your space, then this makes perfect sense. This system will work for indoor or greenhouse grows. Our American made chillers are offered in electric and natural gas for those growers who are looking to be more cost effective in day to day operations. Our chillers use a mixture of water and glycol that run to our dehu air handlers in the top right. These are all stainless steel and can be hung inside the grow space or be flush mounted to a sidewall so they are out of the way and won't create any shade. Now, each dehumidifier air handler comes with a heat and cooling coil, and the special thing about this unit is the ability to turn off one of the coils and use this as a forced air heater or to allow you to add some extra cooling into your grow space. Now, in order to heat the heating coil, we will need to provide heat to that coil. We can do this one of two ways. The first way is to supply a boiler, which is the cheaper upfront cost, but means you will have to pay for fuel every month. The second way is our hot gas recovery option, in which we pull the heat that the chiller is giving off and repurpose it to heat the coil. This is more expensive on the front end, but fuel is free once in operation. As you can see, this solution gives the grower a lot of control over their environment and allows them to dial in their system to meet their desired environment. This concludes the optimized air section, and thank you for watching. Please check us out on YouTube channel or hit us up on Instagram.